going on, guys? We're here at the silver truck and the Mack trailer. Since we're moving everything into our garage, we gotta get this over there, so let's get to it. The truck's been sitting here for about a month. We haven't been out here to start or anything, and she's completely dead. So good thing we brought jumper cables.
Well, hook the jumper cables on there, buddy. It ain't showing.
You kill it,
nothing.
Pep?
Huh?
You kill it? Is that you? Your fault that you did this?
No, I don't know. It ain't showing nothing here, dude. In the meter.
Fired up, sounds pretty good. For sitting for a couple months, or a month, right?
Yeah, a month.
We didn't show you guys this, but me and I came out one day, painted the underside of the fenders, cleaned it up a little bit. We still have to do the bumper down here to get the support piece and tighten up the belts and stuff. But
yeah, look at the alternator belt. You said they can tighten it. Get that all tightened down before we take the truck.
We got our tools here, so we'll do that.
What is the old man doing?
The water light on the dash keeps coming on, so he's trying to mess with that.
Tinkering.
Always tinkering.
All right, guys, we're back out here at the truck again. This is attempt number 2. We found some issues with it, got the belts, everything put on, so this truck is ready to roll. So we're waiting for old man Grandpappy. He'll be over here in a sec. Takes us a little bit.
Slow getting out there.
Then we're gonna get this thing moved over to the garage. So cross your fingers everything goes well. We think it will. What do you think, Pat?
Yep. All you gotta do is follow me real close.
Yeah? What, you gonna blow me away with this thing or what?
Smoke you low.
Yeah, you ain't gonna smoke anything, Pat. Alright, why don't you get in there and fire it up, see if she turns over. Alright. What's it showing?
Oh, it's idling a little fast. 700, it's idle that, but maybe it'll come down to the warm up.
Still got that light on, or that's the brake here?
No, it's out.
How you like it?
You fixed it.
How you like it?
I like it.
You like it?
I like it, yeah.
Better than your other one?
Well, I don't know about that. I haven't driven it. I like the 13 speed. That's what it got in it.
You gonna put it through its paces?
Yeah, we'll shift a couple of gears.
Yeah, alright. Let's let this thing warm up, then we'll get out of here. Yeah, she's sounding pretty good. Old man looks like he's gonna put her through her paces a little bit, blow some smoke. We'll see. I really can't get it that well. You'll see him back there though.
Me and Grandpappy and all of us made it up here to TL service center, and we're getting some fuel right now. First fuel. Before we even fired it up, we poured a bunch of fuel cleaner in there.
Yeah, we was probably sitting for about a year or so. What, Pat?
It's going under over $100.
Going over 100?
Oh yeah, we're gonna put some fuel in.
Pat's gonna max out the credit card here.
But, 1st fuel up, fill up.
First fill up.
Fill up fuel.
Take him to the top. Don't take it all the way full.
You gotta take these off the paint.
Yeah, they gotta come off the paint. It'll be a lot easier to take them with no fuel in them.
That's pretty full.
That's good enough. How full did you make it?
You can see it right there.
Yeah, you can see it bubbling. Golly, that's probably like 600 pounds in there at least.
Holy crap! Yeah,
That's a lot of pounds. Yeah, they're both filled up, Pat.
Hello.
Yes, sir. How much? What's the total?
155.
155, Pat. Racking up the credit.
It's full.
Yeah, that's
Remember
true.
150 gallon tank,
70.
I think.
It says 70.48 gallons.
Yeah, 7 gallon we put in.
Were they half full already? Yeah.
Yeah, this one was pretty full over here.
Yeah, so Pat used most of it. Beat you out today? All right, so we got the trailer unhooked back here. And now Dave is gonna test his skills and he's gonna back it in here. So let's see if he can do it on the first try. Hey, you think you can do it on the first try?
No.
Holy power steering. Got a little leak.
Intertractional.
Intertractional. Come on, you got it. Nah. Round 2 for Dave. It's your last chance before I'm doing it. Straight back. You're good. We gotta wash the pipes. They might be a little tall. Just clearing up here. Oh yeah, she'll miss it. You're good. Oh my goodness, is that close. Perfect. So we got the truck all pulled in. Dave pulled in real nice. You super truckers out there, don't make fun of him driving. He did better than I could do. I surely couldn't do that. Grandpappy said the engine felt real good, transmission felt good.
Transmission?
Yeah, the Jakes felt real nice.
Nice.
Yeah, but that's about it. Since we got this thing in here, now we can start doing the paint work. I know you guys been yelling in the comments about us doing all the other stuff, but not the paint. So this is the point where we want to, start tackling the paint and get this thing looking real good. And then also over here, you can see we got the 48-inch flat top sleeper. That's got to come off that trailer. We don't really know where we're gonna put that. Somewhere.
We got to get it off the trailer so we can start
off the trailer and put it on a
bodyworking
skid. I want to preferably put it on a skid with like some big caster, heavy-duty caster wheels, so we can roll it
Or
around.
we could build something like with 2x4s, build a frame for it.
We got to do something with that, but we got to get that trailer out of here. So, because in a couple of days we're supposed to get that flat top, Pete, and hopefully
It's got to
we can
get
put
towed
it right
out here. Yeah.
We're gonna have a maneuver ability quiz
Competition.
on us over here,
We're
but
gonna see who can move it in here because that's gonna be a tight squeeze. We're gonna have to pull out some of these trucks. Probably pull out that one so nothing's in here.
yeah, that will have to come out probably, and then hopefully we can angle it. Maybe we'll have to borrow a forklift or something to try to lift up the back end and swing it around, but that will be
Challenge.
tomorrow's challenge or something.
What
but-
about we got to get this international all cleaned up. We got to put that new starter. I know JC Smith from the projects talked about the cables. These things have issues with cables and the batteries, so we're going to try to track that before we go spend, a few $100s for a starter. Try to save some money.
We're going to look at, see what, we try to find the problem and then address it. And then another issue with the power steering.
Oh yeah, that.
It's either something's punctured, it's leaking. Hopefully it's something cheap we can fix, but if not, we'll have to go run and get a part. And then I think the oil pan's leaking as well. It's all leaking, but not a big deal. We'll be able to fix it. All right, guys, be a wrap for this video, the short little video. It's good to get this truck here, and it's good to actually get this thing inside where we can start working on it and get this paint addressed. Enjoy us coming back to YouTube. We've been it's been a little break here.
Relaxed.
Yeah, it's been a little break since us posting videos, but we're gonna start rolling again here. We got a lot of work to do with paint here, paint on the 59, paint on the flat top.
We got paint
we got a lot of
everywhere in this thing. Basically, just a body shop's gonna
Yeah.
be for the next month or so.
Yeah, but that's gonna be it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed, and we'll catch you on the next one.